Garnish is not decoration, it's the final statement on the plate. When it's done right, it's the difference between a dish that looks assembled and a dish that looks intentional. The rules are simple: fresh, vibrant, and there for a reason. If a garnish isn't adding color, texture, or contrast, it doesn't belong. Fresh herbs are your foundation: basil, cilantro, dill, parsley, mint, whatever fits the cuisine. But restraint is everything. Don't scatter them like confetti. 1 or 2 intentional placements. A sprig of basil adding a pop of green against warm tones does more than a handful thrown everywhere. Green is the most powerful color in food photography. Your brain is wired to read it as fresh. Microgreens are the highest return styling element you can use. A dish that looks flat and tired, a small cluster in the right spot and suddenly it looks elevated. They photograph beautifully because of their scale, and they come in a range of colors to match whatever the dish needs. Edible flowers immediately read as high-end. A single pansy or nasturtium adds color and organic shape that nothing else can. Just make sure that they're actually food safe. Don't grab something from a garden. Texture is where garnish goes from pretty to engaging. Smooth, creamy dish, it needs crunchy contrast on top. Crispy shallots, toasted breadcrumbs, something with bite. The viewer can almost feel it. When everything on the plate has the same texture, the image goes flat. Smooth against crunchy, glossy against matte. That's what holds attention. Use color theory. Warm tone dish, cool garnish creates contrast. Green herbs against red sauce pop because they're on opposite sides of the color wheel. Neutral dish with lots of beige, a bright garnish wakes it up. Match scale to the dish. A delicate appetizer doesn't need a massive herb bouquet. A large platter shouldn't have a single lonely microgreen. The garnish should feel proportional. And timing. Fresh garnish goes on last, seconds before the shoot. Herbs wilt, flowers droop, microgreens lose structure on a warm plate. Get everything else dialed in, add the garnish, and shoot immediately. Freshness is the whole point.